morning, Diablos. My name is Nadia.
And my name is Ben.
Today's Friday, September 24th. Now please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, in liberty and justice for all. Diablos, please remember to come out and support Mission's homecoming football game against losing at 7 p.m. today.
And don't forget, we also have our homecoming dance Saturday night at 7.
Diablo Heat has produced this new broadcast, which will be premiered Thursday on the 30th during tutorial.
Mission is happy to announce that they have opened the learning centers, which will be open before school, during lunch, 5th and 6th period, and even after school. That's all we have
for today. Goodbye and thank you for watching. We'll see you next Thursday on Diablo Heat.